Hello, this is Random Shots 2010, and today I'm going to play a bit of golf.
He's going to use this RC car. I have spray paint and put some duct tape on it. Alright. Turn it on. Alright, Kyle. Now you're going to hit it. Oh my God, Kyle! Holy crap, dude! Kyle! It's still trying to move! Kyle, stop!
Okay.
It's still trying to move the battery! Oh my God, this is hilarious.
This should probably go away.
Oh, it's new, it can ride!
I hit it again?
One last time.
We should probably throw this one away.
Yeah.